Are you looking for a way to find someone's phone number? You might be surprised to find out that it's actually possible with just their name. And in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to do it. Let's begin. First, the place you should check is Google, our favorite search engine. By using question mark around the person's name and including additional details like their locations or workplace, you might stumble upon their number in online dictionaries or public records. Just remember, this information may not always be reliable and current. Another option is to look at company's website. Sometimes businesses will list contact details for their employees, including cell phone numbers. Social media can be a valuable resource, although it's less common to find phone numbers this way. However, these free methods come with some downsides. For one, searching across different platforms can be very time consuming, especially if you are trying to find multiple numbers. Additionally, there is a significant change that you will encounter outdated, inaccurate information. If you are looking for a quicker and more dependable solution, consider using professional phone finder services, which are easily available. So just do some research on it, and you might find your best go-to service provider for you. These platforms allow you to find phone numbers in bulk and in real time, saving you considerable time and effort. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.